In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website. This process won't take long, just 5 minutes to seamlessly embed a PDF for your visitors to engage with. Let's dive right in. First, you need to get to the Wix website editor, open your web browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're in, locate the dashboard of your site. You'll want to look for the option labeled Editor, which is typically on your main site management screen. Click this and it will take you directly into the workspace where all the magic happens in customizing your site. With the Wix editor now open in front of you, let's move to the next step, which is finding the plus icon. It's located on the left side of the editor and it signifies the add button, representing all the different elements and media that you can add to your website. Clicking this will open up a new menu filled with options for pages, sections, media, and more. From this drop-down menu, you're going to want to select an option that says PDF Viewer. This is a handy widget Wix provides that lets you directly display a PDF document right on your site. Once you select this, a PDF Viewer element will appear on your web page, ready to be customized with the PDF file you want to showcase. Next, let's upload your PDF. Within the PDF Viewer settings, there should be a button that says Upload PDF. Clicking it will open a file dialog window, prompting you to choose the PDF file you wish to add. Navigate through your computer's folders and select your document. Ensure your PDF file is optimized for web viewing, as this will help maintain quick load times and provide a smoother experience for your visitors. Once you have selected your PDF, proceed to click on Add File to finalize the upload. As the PDF uploads, Wix will integrate it into your PDF Viewer component. You'll be able to see the document within your editor, giving you real-time updates on how it will look on your live site. And that's it, you've successfully added a PDF to your Wix website. With the PDF now embedded in your page, your visitors can view or download it directly, expanding the ways you can share information. Remember, if you need to reposition or resize the PDF viewer, you can simply click and drag the element in the Wix editor. Additionally, take time to preview your site on different devices to ensure it displays correctly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Continue exploring the various functionalities of the Wix editor and see how else you can enhance your site. Have a great day and happy website building.